Hey guys, today this is a Shelby 350, and here is the reveal. So here's the back. The spoilers are back here. There's my dad. It's so loud, right, Nathan? And see, it's really cool. Rev it. That is super cool. Oh, jeez.
Well, Philip, you should ask your parents if they care if you go.
Dad, what do you want? Would you like to say anything?
I just think much more important than the car is that Brady played super good soccer.
I just played soccer. What the heck is that? Oh.
Can I sit in it?
Well, yeah.
That's the engine. Hope you guys.
This is Nathan. Please go like me on YouTube at Nathan Reardon.
That's his YouTube channel. Has a car for its icon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See ya. Bye.